How to pronounce Australian regional city names. The Gold Coast, Newcastle, the Sunshine Coast, the Sunny Coast, Wollongong, Geelong, Townsville, Cairns, Toowoomba, Ballarat, Bendigo, Albury-Wodonga, Launceston, Mackay, Rockhampton, Bunbury, Coffs Harbour, Bundaberg, Wagga Wagga, Hervey Bay, Gladstone. You can find other lessons on our Australian Accent channel. Would you like to request a lesson? Send us a message on our Patreon page. You'll find a link in the caption below. Please like and subscribe. We love having you here.